Good day, guys, from Denmark. It is currently 9:48 p.m. It is June, so in Denmark it's very light, and I'm gonna create a 3D model of this beautiful house with my drone. Why did I wait until 9:49? Well, obviously the sun has set and we don't have any shades on the house, which means that we'll be able to create a very precise and very even 3D model of the house, no shades. So let's get started. So first we take out the drone, open the remote controller, get the drone started. This is a fairly small project. You can see the house is quite large, but still it is much smaller than some of the large bridges and churches we've captured. So the process is indeed quite fast. The mission is taking 24 minutes. We're already 9% in. I've set the distance to the house to be 2 meters because we want really good quality. Overlap 90%. I really hope that the 3D model will be very, very accurate. So let's see the drone flying. Let's complete the project and upload the images, see the results. So after the flight path is completed and the drone has collected all the images, we will upload all the images to One3D, which is the software we are currently using, and then we get this beautiful 3D reconstruction.